Hi, let's have a look at the L-B200 featuring fingerprint unlock, key unlock, auto lock, as well as one-touch unlock. This is a new rendition of the L-B200, making it much easier to install. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. Alright. On top you will find a manual. You will find the keys. You will find these for the door frame and the door itself. And you will find the latch here. That latch. And last but not least, you will find the new matte black L-B200 here, as well as screws for installation. Let's bring forward the door that we want to install a lock into. Here we go. First of all, we want to insert the latch into the door. There we go. Alright, the latch now sits in the door. Next up, we want to take the exterior or the outside lock door handle, that is the one with the fingerprint on, and insert it into the latch. There we go. And now it sits in the latch. We can go ahead and take our interior or inside door handle and we can put it on the spindle. There we go. And now it's almost ready, but as you can see, it sits very loosely in the door, so we need to find our connecting screws to screw in. There we go. Let's see if it works now, alright? Whoa, look at that. And from the outside, that's good. It should not unlock from the outside. After installing the lock, let's go ahead and set it up. You want to go ahead and unscrew the battery cover. Alright. Open up the battery cover there and put your batteries right in there. Alright, the door lock and handle should now react to my fingerprint. Let's check it out. It does. And I can open the door. Now, it's important to notice that right after installing the lock, you need to register an administrator. At its current state, right after installation, the fingerprint will unlock with any fingerprint. So it's very important that you would go ahead and register a fingerprint so that it will deny unauthorized access. So to set up a fingerprint profile, go ahead and find the keys included in the packaging. Now we want to open up the keyhole here, so find the little pin attached to the keys and slide open this keyhole cover. Now, to add a fingerprint, what you do is you find the key, insert it in the keyhole, and turn clockwise for 3 seconds. Now, scan your fingerprint. One more time. One more time. We need 5 times. After a long beep, you'll be fine. Let's see if it works. It works. Opa. So right now my thumb works. However, my index finger does not. There we go. Thank you for watching.